Alright, so I wouldn't say that I've done the impossible, but let's just say I've done the unthinkable. Now, something has possessed my tiny little peanut brain to do this challenge. I don't know what possessed me to do this, but we decided to do a challenge, and our challenge was to upload 300 shorts. And we really wanted to see what would happen, and I think you would be shocked with the results. So if you're new to YouTube or you're brand new to content creation and you're thinking about ways that you can strengthen your YouTube community or maybe even grow your YouTube following, then you might want to pay attention to this video just to find out if YouTube Shorts is the way for you. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Now, I told you guys before, I dropped 300 shorts. Now, this is insane, okay? 300 YouTube Shorts in 30 days. It's hard. I'm not going to lie. Would I ever do it again? No. Should I do it again? With the results that you're going to see today, maybe. What? Maybe we should do it again. But you guys let me know down below, how many shorts have you made this month, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into the juicy statistics that I'm sure all of you guys are waiting to see. Some of these are very amusing and some of these are not so amusing, but I do think that there are some things that we should be kind of surprised about here. So first things first, we did drop our 300 shorts on our gaming channel. Now, the gaming channel is a little different because yes, there's a whole bunch of games that we drop these shorts on, so it's not really search-based content. Now, I feel that our reach would have improved and also increased if most of our content was at least searchable. So expect a lot of our views to come from the YouTube Shorts shelf. But looking at what we did in the month of July, with 300 shorts, we were able to get 640.9 thousand views. This is amazing. I mean, this is cool. This is cool. If you ever wanted to just get stupid amount of views for literally no reason, then shorts and short form content is definitely something that you need to look into. So we got about 641,000 views in 30 days in July. Now the cool thing is that our short form content was shown about 1.4 million times, and that is some reach, okay? That is some reach. I couldn't imagine getting this many views on our long form content, especially if it wasn't searchable. So the fact that a lot of the content that I dropped with these YouTube shorts wasn't even for search rankings and all that stuff, we kind of got a little bit of juice here, you know? So yes, our videos have been shown about 1.4 million times in, you know, wherever, just whatever. But we also see that we got 11.1 thousand likes to the channel as well in those 30 days. Now that's a lot of likes. That's a lot of engagement, and I really like that. But the cool thing is that you guys are going to want to care about is how many new subscribers we got to this channel just by posting pretty much shorts. Now we got a few views from some of our long form content that we actually made for search a while back, but other than that, we really just focused all on short form content for the whole month of July. Now with just short form content and all these 300 shorts, we did see a increase in subscribers by 449 subscribers. So this is alarming because it's not a lot, but I wouldn't expect a lot of subscribers just by shorts. Like, shorts is a different ball game. I feel like majority of your subscribers should come from your long form content, because then you have more of a chance to really get the attention and really kind of make somebody a subscriber or a fan of your content. This is cool because if you're looking to get monetized, I literally almost got 500 subscribers in 30 days just by doing shorts. But I do feel like the watch time when it comes to monetization is one of the harder parts to being monetized on YouTube, but it could be a lot easier just by doing, you know, live streams, longer videos. But the hardest part, that I will admit, is getting people to like you. And that is very difficult, especially when it comes to having somebody actually want to subscribe to your channel. So subscribers, I feel like that is a plus. Now, of course, the views are a plus, and the new subscribers are a plus, and the new likes, new engagement. This was really cool. But what really happened with these 300 shorts? First things first, if we really wanted to take a deep dive in, we're going to look at how these views have even come about when it comes to our shorts. How are our shorts even being seen? And of course, 89% of our shorts, 89% has been seen with the shorts feed. Now that is just people just scrolling. And that's kind of scary because if you don't have a proper hook, I mean, somebody might not even be into gaming and they just might just be on YouTube Shorts. So as soon as they see a game, they might just scroll right past what you have to offer. So you really have to be good with the formation of your video. So you have to have a hook, you have to have something to catch the viewer's eye and just have them watch the whole short, maybe even twice. We really didn't focus on that. We didn't focus on search. We didn't focus on anything. So the breakdown on how people were finding my short was, of course, 89% through shorts feed. YouTube search, we had 6.4%. The browse feature, we had 3.7%. And then channel pages, we had 0.4%, and other YouTube features 0.1%, and others 0.2%. So a lot of our attention and a lot of our views came strictly from the shorts feed. Now the cool thing that I have to talk about when it comes to shorts is just the way that some of these shorts can really blow up over time. Now a lot of the shorts that I was dropping about 10 shorts a day, and a lot of them were seeing maybe like 30 views when I went to sleep, and then when I wake up they're like at 2,000 views. And it was kind of cool just to see the growth of some of these videos or some of these shorts. And looking at our top shorts for the month of July, our top 5, our first short, this was a God of War Ragnarok short, and it got 72,000 views. Now this is all in 30 days. So I don't see any of my long form videos ever reaching 72,000 views this quickly. Now I have tons of videos that have surpassed over 100,000 views, but it took a couple months to get that. And the fact that we can get some crazy, just quick content out there, and it can come to 72,000 views in 30 days, that's actually kind of cool, you know? That's actually kind of cool. So will shorts be a part of my future growth strategy for YouTube? I think yes. I think we have enough data here to support that shorts do help your channel. Now, will it help your channel the way that you might want it to? When it comes to subscribers, yes. When it comes to other metrics like revenue, that's where we took a hit. Let's look at that. So right now we are looking at our shorts revenue that we got paid for July, and we successfully went out and we were able to get 640.9 thousand views. Now, how much did we get paid for almost having about 650,000 views? The answer is $32 or $33.02.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Not a lot. Not a lot, okay? Now, this is why, okay? So, revenue for every 1,000 views, my RPM for these shorts was 5 cents per 1,000 views. Now, I've seen this actually be a little different from channel to channel. I've seen some channels get about 2 cents per 1,000 views. I've seen some channels even get up to 7 cents per 1,000 views. But for the gaming channel, we do have 5 cents per 1,000 views, and it amounts to $33.02. Now, this is where it's a little tricky. This is the part that I hate about YouTube Shorts. Now, a lot of us that are trying to get monetized, then yes, YouTube Shorts are the way to go. But after you're monetized and you're trying to pay your bills, pay your rent, you know, take your girl out, have you know, a family or whatever, shorts not gonna get you paid, okay? That's the thing that I really hate about YouTube Shorts. Now, we see 641,000 views and we got 33 cents. Now look at, or $33. Now look at this. We go to our analytics for just long form videos. Now keep in mind, I really wasn't posting crazy great long form videos in the month of July, and they were just literally gameplays, nothing searchable, nothing crazy. And check this out. The fact that we had what, 640,000 views on shorts and still got paid $33. So when it comes to the views for our long form content in the month of July, we only got 19.2 thousand views. But wait, we got a significantly less amount of views on our long form content, but we seem to get paid more for our long form videos. Now the amount that we got paid for our long form videos was $53.32. We made $20 more with like 400,000 less views. So long form content will always be king on YouTube. There's always going to be somebody that just wants to watch longer videos. And of course, this makes sense because longer videos, when it comes to content creators that are trying to make a little bit extra cash, long form videos, as long as your video is over 8 minutes, you can put as many ads as you want in that video. So somebody might be watching that long form video and have to see about 8 ads. So this is good for your monetization and your efforts of receiving more money. So other than that, I do feel that we learned a lot when it came to this experiment, where we actually went and successfully posted 300 YouTube Shorts in 30 days. Now, it was a struggle and it was a lot of work, but I feel like anybody can do it. Would anybody want to do it? That's the real question. So hopefully you guys got some value and maybe even a little bit of knowledge by watching this video. And if you did, then make sure to, you know, smash a like on the video so I can do more videos like this, just breaking down some analytics and hopefully helping you guys become an even better content creator. So if you guys enjoyed it, smash a like, comment down below if you would rather do shorts or if you would rather do long form content, okay? Maybe we can do some more videos about this later. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to watch this next video where I actually teach you guys some steps on how to do your short form content, or basically your YouTube shorts. So check it out, and I think you'll enjoy this next video that I have on this end card screen.